So tell me about this pizza. This looks like it's got cheese drizzled on it and some peppers on it.
So this is our Always Sunny. It's kind of a play on a Philly cheesesteak. So we have braised chuck roast, roasted poblanos, red onions, pepperoncinis, and then it gets topped with a brie cheese sauce. It's actually my favorite thing on the menu. And then this one's one of our top sellers. It's a Dragon Slayer. We do this dragon oil, which is this hot sauce, and roasted garlic oil. It gets mozzarella, Parmesan, fresh jalapenos, and a chipotle roasted chicken.
Well, let's dig in,
Heck
shall
yeah. Every bite's a little something different too. It's not like you're not gonna get palate fatigue eating these pizzas. You're gonna keep getting something different and new every time you try them.
Thank you for sharing these with us.
Oh, anytime.
So we're gonna finish these, I'm sure.
Yes, we are.
And then try some beers.
Oh yeah, we got some good beers. I think we're gonna do 3 or 4 of them, and I'm looking forward to that because it's always time for a beer.
Oh, always time for a beer.
What we have in front of us is a northern style alt beer. Alt beer is an old beer. That's what it translates to. It's traditional. That's this one right here. Traditional German. It's a good one to get started with.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So tell me about this last one. This looks like it's dessert beer.
This one's one of the biggest beers we brew. We brew only 2 other styles that match up with this in alcohol content. This is 11.5% alcohol. We use 3 pounds per barrel of coffee beans, and essentially what we do is we make a cold brew coffee in our beer. Cheers. I don't know if you're going to be drinking too many of these, but one's good every once in a while.
That's yummy.
Thick, dark, full body. This one's definitely the complete opposite on these. It coats your mouth. This would go great with our apple crumb cake with the vanilla ice cream.
Oh yeah. It's like I'm having a cup of coffee in the morning while I'm having a beer at the end of the day.
Having 11.5% beer, yeah.
Yeah, right. The SEMA brew scene seems to be growing. What's been the response from the community and how's business been?
It's been really good. The great thing is we have a lot of people that are they're passionate about what they do. It shows in the beer that they serve.
And it certainly shows in yours.
Well, thank you.
Definitely. The experience, the expertise, the flavor, it's all there, and it's all amazing. Well, especially with that and the pizza. I mean, come down to J Street. Great flavors all around.
To watch the full episode, visit the Missouri Life YouTube channel. Like and subscribe to keep up with the latest content.